Awang bathaki mahai masing tambagi lamda mahairoi singbo anoba inot piriba high career na sinduna Manipur Education and Career Conclave pangthokre Imphal da leiba Hotel Classic Grande da pangthokhiba thauramadu da athoiba mitunglen oikhiba Manipur University gi Registrar Professor W Chan Babu na Mahai masingi lamda inkhalakliba mahairoi singbu lamjing lamtakpiduna afaba maikaida puna bahotnabagi tangai fadabalai ngasi mak aikhoina khanariba sustainable development amadi sustainable ecosystem da career opportunity lehenba ngamgadaba course asi kari karino haibadu thidokpa changi haikhe mahakna makha taraduna mahairoi singna policy studies public policy system conflict research studies amadi national security studies na chingba course sing da ahenba mithing thambagi matam yaure haiba wafam su fongdokhe conclave asida Germany Finland Spain yauna tongan balaiba kaya da vocational course MBBS engineering master amadi tongan ba course chahum henbada mahitambada lairiba khudongchaba sing gi matang da su high career gi maikai dagi thamkhi.
The country is failing is because of the failure in the public policy system. The public policy has emerged as one of the very important stream of study. And such papers are very thoroughly studied and taught and basically introduced and established in the well-established universities of the world. And in India, it is very new. We talk about defense studies and defense research, national security studies. Okay, this is completely new in India, but in other countries that had already been done this long ago. And today, we are facing difficulties in managing our own border. How to manage conflict studies and conflict research. That is not done in our country.